Morning, welcome back to the channel. We definitely have a pile to go through. A lot of chairs, it seems. Don't know what this is yet. I got a bike. It's a bandsaw. So what we're gonna do is just kind of get started. We got a battery. That's heavy. Wow, there's actually a good bit here actually. Let's get started. So if the goal of the channel is to fill this thing up on a regular basis and see if we find anything cool, unique, odd-based, have a little bit of fun in the process of it. And yeah, kind of the goal. And this is actually a really good start for that goal. Aluminum chairs. Get my check first. We the last video we did, if you haven't checked it out, so all we pretty much found that day is a lot of chairs. So I guess this is par for the course to give it a start. That's not in there. That's a metal chair. Metal chair. That's the aluminium. And look, we've already got our folding chairs knocked out for the day. Look, yeah, a whole pile of folding chairs. Yep, that'll do it. We got a rooster in the background telling everyone it's time to get up. That's kind of my job these days. Coax. I had to look. Sometimes that orange cable is a nice one to find. Ooh. What a start. I mean, it's not a big item, but okay, we're almost there. Power cord. Plastic variety scooter. There's the outside plate for that bandsaw. Cricket. Ooh. Sears Craftsman 10-inch direct drive bandsaw. I may actually take it off. I wasn't going to keep it because I didn't see all the parts pieces, but apparently it's there. So I may give it a test before we rat it off. I don't want to break the tile, but I do want these two. Come on. All right. Tire. Piece of all thread. All right. I'm gonna get the battery. Then we'll tighten up this place a little bit. Make it look nice and neat before I head out. And see what else is out here today. God, it's a giant umbrella. Oh, come on now. No, I don't want to get wet this early. Oh yeah, no, you're a heavy one. Come on before it comes back around and gets us soaked. We're gonna call this good enough. We'll worry about getting it all nice and neat a little bit later, because I don't want to get wet. And I don't know where the sprinkler's going. Starting off right where we left off, I guess, with the chair thing. I mean, let's check it. Aluminum, steel. Steel. Kind of light. We'll take it. I seen one of the satellite doohickeys, and yeah, that's plastic. Empty. Let's go ahead and do something like this. Somebody tried the, what does that say? The mule. Just love it. There we go. Well, got a little piece out of it. One of these fancy dancy lights. Box. Come on, you can do it. And well, okay then. All right. Plastic. All right. Grab a lamp here or there. Hey, Bucket, you're not supposed to be up there. Right here. Well, that's a fancy one, isn't it? Tire's gone. Is it back of the truck? Super light. I'll put it back here. I'll debate getting a tube for it. They're only a few dollars. Come on. Move that back here. We're gonna test it before we take it. Kind of consolidated everything to one side. Found out the problem with this. It's too tall to stand up and takes up a lot of room. But now we got one of these. We like these. See if you'll slide out like you're supposed to. Yeah, we're good. Ooh, we got some nuggets on top too. And in the box. Well, that's chewed up. We like it though. All right, let's go. I'm gonna put it there. We'll get a strap across it. We're further away than I'd like to be fair. Ain't that something? Quick release. Nothing else, I can cut it there. All right. And lift. Nope. Over the lip you go. All right. Got a chair in the way, but we'll get it fixed. All right, we're gonna get a strap across that and we'll call it good. Can y'all see? Well, we actually got a good bit of bed frames here. So we can get them all down in here. Stand them up. It's all just nice, neat. Ready to go for us. No digging needed. Oh, those are heavier. We do got another scrapper kind of out right now. I just passed him, so we'll see kind of where he's going, how he's approaching it, and we'll see if we can not go the way he's going. Let go. Yeah. I wonder how many frames is here. 3, 4? 5. Last 2. Now see, now this is a house that looks out because it's all by itself. Who knew some scrapper would want it? Yeah. See what a ride's like. She actually scraps out of that thing. I just helped her get a get something in there, so she's nice. Just decided that it wanted to play around and not stay with its rest. I don't know why she passed up the fans though, but because there's one here and one there. Maybe she's being nice. When in reality, you know, she's just much game for all this as we are. Oh, that one don't smell good. Oh, Lord. She left this one too. Sure. Maybe she didn't see him. That's what I'm gonna go with. All right, stop. Empty. Some new shades. No thank you. Then the plastic part. All right. Got some microwave. You know something about microwave? I was watching that show, what, Skinwalker Ranch? Crazy show. Can't say that I don't know a lot about that kind of stuff, but it was interesting. It was interesting for sure. Have to kind of do a little work on it to get it to where we need it. And the other little pieces or things in here. Light fixtures. Light fixture. Box of stuff. Nah, not stuff we want. Come on. Alright, just keep piling onto the load, make it a load. Decent start off, doing decent, doing this. I got a refrigerator I got to get to. I may put it on this load today. Person called me and told me they got a refrigerator for me to grab, so we'll see if that plays out or not. Chairs, but we got a trampoline. Thinking about putting all of it like right here, all the trampoline parts, that is. We like trampolines. It's a good bit here too, really. Good weight. Some really, really smaller pieces too, so kind of put them, just put them where they go. We're actually about done with the route, so this was a very nice surprise to come up on. And I about didn't turn down the street, by the way. I about went the other way, which would have put me in a different spot, different location. So I guess we can start putting it on the other side. I gotta get the microwave done. But, you know. Grab a handful, go with it. That's a bigger piece. I take it all the springs are just kind of connected too, maybe. Few more little trips. We'll button up this stop. Springs. More chairs. Bigger chairs. Good weight. Very good stop, actually. All right, let's take a look at the pile one more time. Be sure we're not leaving anything. Call that good enough? Like it. Swish, swish, broom. On the open trail, if you will. I mean, that's what a road is, right? Open trail. Got a something here. A vacuum. Got 2 sinks. One of them we want. The other 2 not so much. And a light. I think last time we got like $1 or $2 out of that. Trying to figure out why my foot was getting wet, and yeah, that makes sense. Take our little bit of wire. And we'll take our vacuum. Really one more big item and I think we'll have us a load. It's actually pretty good weight with the bed frames, trampoline, the chairs. Getting somewhere. In the bucket. Something crawling on me. An ant. So we picked up a stove. It's actually where my dad's working. He called me and let me know that they threw away a stove in this remodel repair thing. So of course we came and grabbed it, right? I had help, I ain't gonna lie. So we added a stove to the ordeal. All right, well, kind of did some things. It's a little bit later in the day. Went ahead and got the microwave broke down, tested the bandsaw. We done a few little things here or there. So bandsaw didn't work. I plugged it up, kind of fiddled with the blade on it, you know, tried to beat it with a hammer. Done some things to it, but yeah, I couldn't seem to kind of get it to go. So we're gonna go ahead and take this load to the scrapyard. I'm gonna throw off the bandsaw. I don't have time to hoard something that does not work. So that being said, we're gonna drop the sink off, that kind of deal. Yeah, see what it weighs and what it pays. See what we can do with the chairs. I don't know yet. Well, we're empty. Sorry I didn't get it recorded. My GoPro was dead. I put it on charge in the truck, and I guess I just didn't make sure it was connected good enough. Anyway, we got some battery now. We can talk a little bit about just things. So we did get it unloaded. We had 1,000 pounds today, 6 cents a pound, 60 bucks. The stainless sink that I picked up, they gave me clean value, 25 cents a pound, $3.50 for a grand total of $63.50. I let them look through the chairs. One of the guys at the yard asked for the bike. I gave him the bike. One of the chairs got picked up. They're awesome people there. They're more than, you know, they can take just about anything I find. Granted, minus something really special or crazy, but not bad. We're gonna get out here. We're actually going to get out a good bit of videos this week, hopefully. And our heat indices is 100 this week, so early morning is definitely going to be the play for us. 1,000 pounds early morning trip, can't complain about that. The stove definitely helped us out. We found the bed frames. I mean, it was a good day. But enough of that, I digress. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, think about liking, sharing. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. If you made it this far, you might as well anyway. And I try to post 3 times a week, maybe more, hopefully, Lord willing. But that being said, is the only thing we can do is try, right? So on that note, I will definitely see y'all on the next one, and hopefully get one out tomorrow too, and the next day, and the next day, and just continue.